I got Naomi. Naomi, you've got big breaking news. I'm just going to toss it to you. You're now on the phone. Just go ahead and let it rip, ma'am.
All right. So you remember that I alerted everyone that the BioNTech, which is a subsidiary of Pfizer that makes the mRNA injections that are so lethal, so damaging to millions and millions of people, they're going after our kids, there was 100% tech transfer to Fosun, to China, rather, at the end of 2021. And I was asking, what is this? And I was also struck that Fosun Pharmaceuticals out of Shanghai, owned by a senior CCP member, was manufacturing 1 billion injections of the Pfizer vaccine because China isn't using this vaccine, right? So where are they going? And I've long been haunted by the fact that it would be the easiest thing in the world for our adversary, our existential adversary, China, under the guise of a pandemic, to infiltrate our medical supply. We don't know. No journalists have asked, except me and, a handful of others, where are these injections coming from? And the FDA clearly is captured. Well, I have bad news, but it's better to know. The CCP is manufacturing these injections in the United States. And here's what I mean. Fosun Shanghai has now opened FosunPharmaUSA.com. They've got a press release announcing Fosun Pharma 2021 annual results announcement excelling the globalization of their product. And the bottom line is that they've opened a facility in Boston, Massachusetts, and a facility in Princeton, New Jersey, where they're manufacturing and distributing Pfizer products. And Fosun Pharmaceuticals is owned by Sinopharm, which is owned by the Chinese Communist Party. And not only that, but they're shareholders in Sinopharm, which is a state-run, state-owned pharmaceutical company. There's no such thing as private industry in China. So our adversaries are the ones manufacturing and distributing this, not just in America, but also in 10 other Western countries. This is China. This is the CCP. This is the CCP-run Sinopharm, which it owns essentially Fosun Pharmaceuticals. The medical device segment, that's not all, has covered China, but also the United States, Europe, and other major regions. Now, guys, it's not just the injections and the COVID pill. It's the tests. It's the tests. The COVID-19 test kit by Fosun Diagnostics has been sold in over 10 countries. In 2021, Gland Pharma, a holding subsidiary, received approval from the U.S. FDA for 13 generic drugs. Our U.S. FDA, which we've seen is so corrupt, so hostage to the White House, that's clearly hostage to the CCP, they are green lighting 13 other drugs of the CCP in the United States.